Rino. Bacani. To the hoops. Baget is good. Bacani. Recover back. And replace. Oh! Rino. Inside Gomez. Fires. Baget. Gomez. No good. Rebound. One bounce. Spinning and firing. Baget for two. BTC 2024 do or die quarterfinals. First ball position. Number 7 Alegre is stolen by Tipino. Tipino lost the handle and lost it. Recover back and replace. Oh! Back. Here you go. Stop attack. High pass to the middle. Open look. Cruz for 3. Bang! Dalagi bounce. And it's Barroga. Barroga drives, level layup, Baget for 2, Barroga. Bacani for Team Pampanga. Pass to Guevara. Screen by Macalma. Fires, no good. Fight for the rebound. Barroga the rebound. The pass. And it's Team Bulacan open lip, Laksarum, no good. Rebound, one bounce, spinning and firing, Baget for 2. Now at the top. And the pass, Guevara. To the middle, Calma. Calma, pass to the middle, dribble the ball. Second shoot, stolen. And Cruz. To the middle, inside pass. Ang gandang pasahan yun. Lagsaro. Bacani goes inside. Last on the free throw, Bacani. Bakit? Ekal now at the top. Ekal. Pass to the middle. Cruz. Bump. Pass to the Alegre. Alegre. For 3. Bang! 3 points. Alegre. Roga against Gomez. Behind the back. Pass to Ekal. Ekal bounce pass. Picks. Drives. Lays. Basket is good. Gomez last on the free throw. No good. Rebound. And fire. Baget is good. Gomez setting the play. Gomez. Torino. Inside Gomez, fires, Baget, Gomez, and here you go, Gomez sa gitna, Rino, Bacani, to the hoops, Baget is good, Bacani, now at the top, against Ekal, the pass to the wings area, inside pass, Bacani, the love pass, and the finish, Bacani. And Barroga behind the back dribble. The pass. Ekal goes to the middle. Corner. Open look. He fires. Bang! 3 points of the first quarter for the inbound. Tipino. Pass to the middle. Bacani. Corner pass. Drive. And the lace. Baget is good. Number 30. And the bump. Alegre. Pass to number 14. And Alegre. One-on-one. Deep 3. Bang! Alegre. Bacani. And the bounce pass is stolen. And the bounce pass attacks. Plays off the window. Baget for 2. Koday. Long pass. And Bop is spinning. Koday. Pass to Alegre. Alegre will dribble. Baldomino fakes. Stop. Inside pass. The lace. Baget is good. Tipino. Tipino. Pass to Guevara. Guevara. Stops. Corner pass. Here's Gomez is spinning. Bounce pass is stolen. And the pass. Baldomino in the pass. Basket and 1. Alegre. Alegre. Kicks out. Nakakagaw. Tipino. The long pass. Sakto yung pasa. Dives. Calzada. Yes, sir. Calzada. To backhand. Calzada. Spins. Fast. Basket and one. And here you go. Number 91, Ekal. Ekal. Taking it easy. Dribbling the ball. 1 minute and 30 seconds on the game clock. And Alegre to the middle. Laxarum against Tipino. Laxarum crosses over. Pull up jumper. No good. And here's Rino. Naagawan. Ulis. No good. Rebound. And here's Baroga. The pass. The lace. No good. Short. Put back. Rejected. And Baroga. High pass to the middle. And attacks. Lace. Kinaliwa. Wala. Rebound. Kicks out. Ekal. Open look. No good. Kalma. Nagkabanggaan. The baseball pass. Nauna na si Tipino. Easy to Tipino. Passes over. Nakalusot. Baroga. Gets inside. Kicks out. Open fast at 3. No good. Rebound. Baroga picks and fire. Baroga will finish. And inbounding for Team Bulacan picks. Bounce pass to the middle. Raha. Pass and Laxarum for 3. Bang! Laxarum. And here's Esguerra. Pass to the wings inside. Liz. Baget for 2. And Araking. Corner pass. Open look fast. Laxarum. Bang! Back to back 3. Laxarum. The long pass. Baroga. Stops to the middle. Alegre to Laxarum. Laxarum gets inside, kicks it out. Open fires. No good. Rebound. Alegre. Alegre corner. Open look. Attacks the floater. In and out, tips in. Wala pa rin. And the pass. The leash. Yes, sir. Alegre now looking for the receiver. Passes to Laxarum. Laxarum. Corner to Alegre. Alegre will drive to the baseline. Bump and fire. Basket is good. Alegre. Here's Team Pampanga. Esguerra against Alegre. Bounce pass. Gopez. Pupunas ng sapatos. Bacani. Bacani stops for 3. No good. Rebound. Put back rejected. And fires. Bucket. The second chance. Cleaning his own man. Baroga dribbling. Passes. Pass back to Baroga. Baroga. And Baroga will drive. Pass to the middle. Recover. Laxarum. Baroga. Kicks out. Alegre inside pass. Fires off the window. Bucket is good. Possession for Pampanga. Stop bounce pass. Gopez to the middle. Bacani pass to the wings area. High pass. Guevara goes inside and fires. Sinubo sa ring. Pass. And 3 on 3. And pass lace. Baget is good. Cruz. And here's Team Bulacan. Stops inside pass. Bump. Cruz kicks out. Alegre open look. He ducks. Kicks out wide open for 3. Bam! Laxarum! Inbound Team Bulacan. Alegre. The pass. And high pass. Here's Cruz. Cruz will drive to the middle. Scoop layup. No good. Tips in. Bucket. Cruz. Bacani. Bacani goes to the screen. Bacani will drive. Inside. Bucket is good. The long pass, eksakto yung pass, binitbit, Liz, Bucket for 2 against Ekal. Goes to the screen, bounce pass, step back, kicks out for 3, bang, Tipino 3. Pupunas ng sapanos si Cruz to Baroga. Baroga to Baldumino. Baldumido, Kirner for 3. Bang! 3 points! For the inbound, high pass inside. Bam! Basket and 1. Kalma! And here's Bacani to the middle. Paymagus, Baguette for 2. Rino. Baseball pass. Na-recover. And bump. And fire. Slowly dribbling. Spinning. Ekal behind the back. The pass. And Calzada and stolen. And recover by Ekal. Kicks out. Open look. Launches on 3. Bam! 3. And is Rino. Stop, spins. And drives to the middle. Oh, Baguette is good. Rino. End of the third quarter action. Bacani now at the top. Passes to the wings area. Calma, inside pass. Reverse layup. Baguette is good. Down to 9-point lead. Single digit ang lamang para sa Bulacan. Attacking. Kicks out. Pull-up jumper. Short. Rebound. Mapupunta dito para sa Bulacan. Inside pass. Ang gandang pasa nun. Galing yan kay Bacani. Stop. Launches on 3. No good. Bacani inbounding. High pass to the middle. Attacking. Rino. Lace. Baguette is good. Back to 9. And pass back. Alegre. Pass to number 6. Laxarum. Alegre. Attacking. Driving. Lacing. Won't go. Rebound. Picks. Pinabitin. Baguette is good. The long pass. 3-on-1 ang laban. The lace. Bacani. Si Baguette. Bacani. Pass. And here's Japa. Pass to Alegre. Crosses over. Drives to the hoops. Basket and 1. 16th lead. 6-point lead for Team Bulacan. 76-70. And the pass to the middle. Pull-up jumper. Nugget. Rebound. Bulacan. Kapampangan. And dribbling. Slowly dribbling. The pass. Spinning. Attacks. He fires. Nugget. Rebound. Another one. Gomez. Wala pa rin. And the pass, binalik sa loob. Kinain. Basket is good. Down to 4-point lead. 3-point lead. 78-81. Alegre with the ball. Dribbling at the top. Goes to the screen. And Ekal. Shot clock down to 8. Bounce pass inside. Ball is stolen. And it's Team Pampanga. Gomez drives inside. My foul. Basket and 1. At the free throw area. Basket. Tie game. Pampanga. Bacani drives to the hoops. Oh, Baguette is good for the lane. Pass to the wings area. Guevara to the middle. Setting the play. Rino against Cruz. Corner pass. Goes inside. Pinasa. Oh, Guevara will finish. And here you go. Alegre lost the handle. Recover. And this pass to Alegre. Alegre will drive. Corner. Open fires. Nugget. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz will attack with Lace. Baguette is good. Down to 2-point lead. 33 seconds on the game clock. Attacking inside pass. Naagawan. And drives. Pinasa. Libreng-libre. Easy to. Tie game. 5-all. Bacani setting the play. Shot clock down to 14. Down to 10. And 5 seconds. Deep 3. Short. Oh. 2.6 seconds on the game clock. For the inbound. Team Bulacan. Inside. Deep fires. Oh. Holding the ball. Guevara will attack. Stops. Kicks out. Recover by Bacani. Fires. Short. Rebound. Floater. Bucket is good. Ekal. Ekal goes inside. To the hoops. Short. And here's Team Pampanga. Rino. Pass to Gopez. Drives. Traveling. Tumambling ka pa. For the backdoor inbound. Team Bulacan. Bounce pass. Kicks out. Cruz. Ekal. Ekal. Pass to Barroga. Spinning. Recovers. Pass inside. Ang gandang pasa. Bucket is good. Cruz. And high pass inside. Ball is stolen. And Guevara, the long pass. The lease. Bucket for 2. Up by 3. Ekal. Ekal against Bagani. Spinning. Bump. And the pass. Barroga goes inside. Lease. Barroga first on the free throw. Barroga last on the free throw. Bucket. Barroga. Lead for Team Pampanga Bagani. Pass to Guevara. Guevara to the middle. And here's Rino. Nakalusot. Natapikan. Stolen na. Una na. And now, tie game by Cruz. 90 all. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Guevara to the lace. Nugget. Rebound. Dive for the ball. Oop. Uy. Ni-wrestling. And we are tied at 90. Up by 1 now. 2 minutes and 29 seconds on the free throw. Short. Rebound para dito kay Barroga. Barroga is spinning between the legs. Barroga the pass. Alegre stops. Pass to the wings area. Ekal attacking the defense. Creates space. Kicks out. Open look. Fires. Bang for the lead. Now up. 93-91. 2 minutes on the game clock. The first minute goes. And now tie game. He stops for 3. Bang! For the lead. 3. Clock 1 minute and 4 seconds. Bagani now at the top. Goes to inside. Guevara spinning. Lacing. Bucket is good. Down to 1 point lead. Team Bulacan. Bulacan up by 1. Barroga. 50 seconds on the game clock. Barroga now at the logo area. Setting the play. He goes to the wing side. Screen by Lactuzum. And Alegre to the middle. The lace. Bucket is good. 3-point lead. The pass. Bacani will drives. Goes inside. Pass. Bucket is good. Down to 1 point lead. And dribbling the ball. Pass to the middle. Japa to Alegre. Alegre goes inside. Lost the ball. Kicks it out. Stolen. And now 10-8 lays. Bucket scored. And the pass is spinning. Attacking. So stepping on the line. 11 seconds left on the game clock. And for the inbound. Inbounding 11 seconds on the game clock. 11.9. And ball possession. And the pass. High pass. Oh! Uy! Same ball. For the inbound. Now looking for the receiver. Bacani. Spins. And first on the free throw. Bucket is good. 2-point lead. Last on the free throw. That's good. 3-point lead. And the long pass. Up na agaw. And win the game. Hey! Ooh.